My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Amma. Myself, G. Akshaya from 9th grade. As a part of Veedamrita Sandesham Day 10, today I am here to motivate you all through a Bhagavad Gita sloka of chapter 8, verse 15. Mamupetya punarjanma dukkhalayam saswatam nabhvanti mahatmanah samsiddhim paramam gata. In this sloka, Lord Shri Krishna wanted to give a message to the world that the struggle starts from the mother's womb itself, where we hang upside down for 9 months. All through our life, we suffer from pain. But do you know why does Lord Shri Krishna put us in so much of pain and miseries? In the God's grand design, the purpose of pain and miseries in our life is to realize that the material world is not the permanent abode for the souls. Let us consider an example of a man who accidentally puts his hand in the burning fire. When he touches the hot coal, his skin starts burning and sends neurons to the brain. The brain immediately reacts and sends commands to the hand muscle to avoid contact with the coal for further pain and burning sensation. Therefore, pain is something that is not right and needs correction. These influence and motivate the lost souls to treat towards the ultimate goal to the union with God. Those souls who commit themselves to the exclusive devotion to attain God of His divine abode. However,